Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing, as usual, very simple recipe. This is a breakfast recipe that you can do and it will take your porridge to the next level. Okay, we are just going to do a porridge. I'm just going to tell you what to do with your porridge, okay, to make it much nicer. All right, so what I have here, I have some semi-skimmed milk. You can choose not to use this, but I prefer it much more creamy, so that's why I'm adding some fresh milk. So this is semi-skimmed fresh milk, and I'm going to add, this is a bowl of coconut milk. Yummy. So I'm going to spice it with some lovely spices. Okay, so what I have here, okay, I have, this is freshly grated nutmeg, okay, and I have some cinnamon, and I have a little bit of salt. I'm going to add that to my mixture. And then the next thing I'm going to add a lot of vanilla extract. Just a tablespoon. So that's all that it is. So next thing is I'm going to just try and warm so what I'm going to do, I'm covering it for it to be warm, and when it's about to simmer, we are going to add our oats to it. So guys, as you can see, our milk is hot, so I'm going to add the oats. Now this is just the traditional rolled oats, or you can use any type of oats that you use for your porridge. Okay, I like using this type of oats. So all we need to do is to just stir. It smells really amazing, I tell you. It smells really nice. So guys, my oats is ready. It doesn't take long to cook. If you soak the oats also in water before you put it in, it will also just be fine. It will just take very little time to cook. Oats doesn't take a long time anyway. It smells so good. Okay, it depends on the consistency that you like. I like this consistency, but if you want it more like runnier, you can add a bit of warm water, okay, to it, to just your desired consistency. So our oats is done. Our porridge is smelling really nice. I tell you, you have to try this recipe. I'm not going to put sugar in it. I'm put sugar in it if you prefer. I don't like putting sugar in it. I like eating mine with honey. So if you want to put sugar in, you can put sugar in it right into the cooking pot and then stir it. But because I'm using honey, I'll just put it on when I'm about to eat it. So guys, this is my porridge. It smells amazing. You have to try this recipe, okay? You can add any spice of your choice and you will love it. It's really smelling so nice in my kitchen. I love having it with blueberries, okay? And I want to put a bit of honey on it. tell you, oh my goodness, you have to try this recipe, guys. So if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. But before that, I just want to say that if you're vegan, you can just omit the semi-skimmed milk and just use the coconut milk to just make it. It's really nice if you use just coconut milk as well. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications, okay, so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.